Hi everyone, thank you so much for being here. My name is Megan, and in today's video I wanted to do a fall inspired look for you guys because who doesn't love fall? It's the best season of the year. So I just recently picked up the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palettes, and oh my gosh, I'm in love with the colors. They're amazing and so pigmented. And I came up with this orangey red smoky eye. It's perfect for weekend vibes, holiday parties, all that fun stuff. So if you'd like to watch me get this look, please stay tuned. To start off with today's look, I'm going to be applying my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and I'm going to be applying that with a Real Techniques 300 crease brush, and I'm just going to be applying that all over my lid to act as a primer for the eyeshadows that I'm going to be applying. The first eyeshadow that I'm going to be grabbing from the Jaclyn Hill palette is Perfectionist, and I'm going to be applying that with a Sonia Kashuk crease brush number 27, and I'm going to be focusing that mainly in my crease. Then I'm going to grab another blending brush, and I'm going to go in with Grateful. I'm going to be focusing that also in my crease and a little bit on my lid, blending Perfectionist and Grateful together. The next eyeshadow I'm going to be applying is My Man, and I'm going to be applying that with a Sonia Kashuk number 20. And I'm going to be focusing this color mostly on my lid and then blending it into Grateful. I'm just going to go back in with Grateful, and I'm going to be blending all of my colors together. I'm going to then go in with Get Ready With Me, and I'm going to be applying that with my fingers on my eyelid. Next eyeshadow that I will be applying to my lid is Temptress. I'm going to take my Sonia Kashuk Smudge Brush number 29, and I'm going to be focusing mainly on the outer corner of my lid, giving me that smoky eye that I want. Slowly blending all those colors together. I'm just going to be taking my makeup remover wipe, and I'm going to be carving out my eyeshadow to give me that more sharp wing look. Then with my Real Techniques shape brush, I'm just going to go into the Highlight Certified, and I'm going to be applying that on my brow bone and in the corner of my eye. I'm going to be reapplying the eyeshadows and blending all these colors together. Then going to apply my eyeliner. This is just the NYX Cosmetics Next thing I will be applying is my gel liner to the top lid and my lower lash line. Then I'm just going to be going back in with the smudge brush, and I'm going to be applying hard on to my lower lash line. Next thing I will be applying is my Great Lash Mascara, and I'm going to be applying that to my top eyelashes and my lower lashes. The lashes that I'm going to be using, I just picked these up. These are the Lash Silk lashes. You can find these at any drugstore. Then with my e.l.f. liner, I'm just going to reline my upper lid. Continuing to blend everything out and reapply if I need it. My face primer, I'm just going to go in with the Urban Decay Optical Illusion. For foundation, I'm going to be using my Born This Way, and I'm going to be applying that with a flat top foundation brush. I have to say this is definitely my favorite foundation. I was using the Anastasia Luminous foundation for a little bit, and it's definitely more of a sheer to medium coverage. If you're like me and like that full coverage, I would highly recommend trying this foundation. Then I'm gonna go in with my Born This Way concealer, and I'm gonna be applying that under my eyes, my chin, and my forehead. Then to blend out my concealer, I'm just using a Real Technique Damp Beauty Blender to blend all that out. To set my concealer, I'm going to be applying my Laura Mercier Eye Brightening Powder with just an angled dry beauty blender. This one is Real Techniques as well. And I'm going to be applying that just wherever I crease. Then with a small blending brush, I'm just going to dust that all away. For bronzer, I'm going to be using my go-to from Anastasia in the color Tawny, blending that into my neck, my cheekbones, and my forehead. For blush, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Cosmetic, and the blush that I'm going to be applying, I don't know the name of it, but the color that I'm using is more of a reddish undertone with some gold specks in it. It's really pretty. And I'm just going to be applying that with my fluffy powder brush. For my highlighter, this is the Dual Finish number 5. For my lips, I'm going to be applying the Color Stay Lip Liner in Nude. I almost forgot to do my brows. I'm going to go in with my NYX Cosmetics Tinted Brow Mascara. My color is in Blonde. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I loved creating this look for you guys. If you'd like to leave a comment below and let me know what video you would like to see next, I would love to hear from you guys. Please don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.